Hello, welcome to the second video in the IAF e-reading tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the registration process and login options. If you do not have an account, please visit the e-governance portal on the FNet and fill in the details required for registration on DLP. Once submitted, the library will get your account registered and share login credentials by email. In case you face any difficulty in getting your account registered, you can reach out to your command library or the Vayu Bhavan library for assistance. Now, let's take a look at the platform. Visit iafereading.in. To access the platform's e-contents and features, you first need to log in. In the login form here, use your registered email address and password to log in. If required, you can use the Forgot Password option here to reset your password. On your first login, you will be asked to accept the terms of use. You can then review your profile details, change your e-library password if required, and select at least 4 areas of interest. These interests help us provide personalized AI-based recommendations as you use the platform. Once you are logged in, you get full access to all the collections and services available on the platform. You can track notifications, browse e-contents by media type, and view your past readings right here. The Staff Picks section helps you keep up with newspapers, magazines, eBooks, e-journals, and video lectures recommended by the library. You can also catch up with daily news headlines related to defense, science, business, health, technology, and sports. The Trending section on the homepage shows content currently popular among IAF users. If you face any issues while logging in, you can also contact us through the email ID or WhatsApp number given in the footer. In the next video, we will walk you through all the e-content collections available on the platform. So stay tuned.